Hey everybody, I'm Jimmy, the Bearded Biker with Moto Nation USA, and today I'm talking about essential equipment. What am I talking about? Stick around and find out.
Whether coming or going, Moto Nation USA, always
All right,
on the road.
with my previous videos, you can see that I talked about a tire plug kit, what it was, why it's useful. Well, after you get your tire plugged, you're going to want a way to fill up that tire with air. So we've got this mini compressor. This was about $20 from Walmart. Get it out here. It's got a 12-volt adapter. Back in the old days, these were cigarette lighters. So we take it, we plug it into our bike. Plug it into our bike like that, and then we turn it on. You can hear that. It's a little compressor. Air's coming out of here that we've screwed into our valve stem, and it airs it up. After you've plugged your tire, this is going to be critical. In the event that you've got tubed tires, maybe it's just a slow leak, you can air up your tire and move down the road a little bit. If you don't have a plug kit or you've got a tube tire, you can keep airing it up, move down the road, air it up, move down the road until you can get someplace where you want to store your bike until you can get it repaired. Not recommending a brand for the mini compressor, I'm recommending the product. I suggest that you carry one of these when you're out touring in case you too have a flat. I'm Jimmy, the Bearded Biker, and I hope to see you on the road. Hey everybody, I'm Jimmy, the Bearded Biker with Moto Nation USA, and I'm talking about essential equipment for touring. What am I talking about? Stick around.